Hey my friends, it's time for an unboxing video, which I don't do many of these. I want to be straight up front with you on this. This is the second time I'm doing this unboxing video, which you didn't see the first one because, yeah, I had a couple problems. One of the problems was I knocked over a light. I need a bunch of equipment. Hey, well, it's everything I need. I need a switch fast. And the other big problem was, and if you're squeamish, you don't like the sight of blood, you may want to close your eyes because, oh yes, there will be blood. Now, I know it goes without saying, but I'm saying it anyway. Always respect your very sharp cutting tool. Always. All right, so this unboxing video, a couple things about it. Number one, it's just an unboxing video. Number two, this is not a review or a critique of the product that's in the box. So, with that being said, let's jump right into this. This is the PGYTECH OneMo Light Camera Bag. Now, I've got this, well, let's do this first here. This is the camera bag I've been using for years, 10, 15 years. It's the Low Pro Messenger camera bag. And what I really like about it was I could sling it over my shoulder and have quick access to it while I'm filming a game with my big old Canon XL2 video recorder. I could switch back and forth between that as well as my DSLR. It worked pretty well. But I've got some plans, some changes I want to be making. I want to maybe shoot some more extreme type sports like mountain biking, surfing. I'm really close to the beach, so surfing would be a lot of fun. And that bag, it kind of weighs you down just to one side. So after a while of hiking, it just kind of starts hurting. Well, let's keep doing this while I'm talking. And there it is. So with this one, I'll be able to carry it like a regular camera bag, as a regular backpack. So it will displace, all the stress throughout my entire back and not just off to one side. So if you're hiking, so I've got a couple plans. Like I said, I want to do some different types of sports photography, some extreme sports. I'm going to be starting on a vlog channel, photography channel. This is going to be coming a lot more handy. It's got your regular compartments, which would be exciting. I can put some video gear in there along with my camera gear. And I think this is going to work really good for me. Again, I'm not going to review this right now. If you'd like me to, you can let me know in the comments. Now, the cool thing about this was, I've been researching this for a while. It's got this design, which allows nice airflow through your back, so you don't sweat as much, which I think is going to be a great benefit. Yeah, I think this is going to work out really well. Got lots of compartments, lots of baggage areas to store stuff, so pretty excited about it. I'll keep you guys up to date on if I like it or not.